I gotta get up and win this war today against myself.
We get one opportunity in life, one chance in life to do whatever you gonna.
Okay. So yeah. So okay. Good afternoon, everyone. We will start with the revision. Okay. Till everyone join, we will start with basic revision and then we will continue the next topics of this chapter. Okay. Right. So I guess all of you remember basics, whatever basics that we have covered in last class. Raise your hand. Have you watched the video? Those who haven't attended the class, last class, have you watched the video? Yes, no, raise your hand. Just raise your hand. Okay, very good, right? So let us see how many of you can remember the basic concept that we have covered in last class. Okay, right? So these are very easy 5 questions, very easy 5 questions. Okay, the first is square of every real number is. Square of every real number is. That's the first question. Tell me. What's the option? What's the option? Square of every real number is? Tell me. You can just message. Very good, Krishna. Very good, Darshan. Real number, Krishna. Okay, yes, positive, correct. And it's easy enough. It is positive, yes or no? So it is easy because we know that that's a fundamental inequality. That yes, very good, correct. Now second one. Tell me second one. The given parabola represents the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What can you say about the roots of this equation? Tell me. I guess this is something that we have already covered. Yes. Okay. No zeros. Okay. Or you can say no real roots, right? Okay. So tell me, what is the answer? What's the answer? Okay. So
imaginary roots.
Imaginary roots.
Imaginary roots. Imaginary roots, right? Correct. Very good. Very good, Shirisha. Very good. Vastav, hai na? Because if it's no real root, it means it is imaginary roots. Very good. What about third one? Third one.
An imaginary number.
Yes, correct. An imaginary number. Very good. Fourth one. Fourth one. Fourth one.
3 plus root 5 by 4.
Calculate, guys. This is something that we have done in class 9th also, 9th also, 10th also. Hannah, tell me. Tanish, think about Tanish. Reciprocal.
Yes, sir.
This, right? You have to rationalize. No, very good, Navya. Correct, Navya. Vastav, correct. Correct. Very good, Puneet. Now we know that if I have to rationalize this, I have to multiply and divide by 3 plus root 5, right? So I hope all of you got the answer now. Tell me, yes or no? Yes, right? So answer is D. D, na? Plus ho gaya na? Darshan. Plus, right? How come it is minus, Darshan? Right? If it is x, then you're writing x by 4. How come this x by 4 is reciprocal of x? It's not possible now, right? Okay, what about fifth one? What about fifth one? Tell me, fifth one, everyone. We know we have solved it, right? In class. Okay, there's some construction.
Option D.
Option D, pakka. Pakka. What was the condition, guys? Discriminant should be less than 0. Yes or no? Discriminant should be less than 0. So D should be less than what? P square. Tell me, minus 8. P square minus 8. Yes or no? Sorry, P square minus not 8. P square in 8 into 16, right? And this should be less than 0. So it is P square minus 16 less than 0. So all of you should remember the inequality, no? Yes or no? Tell me, guys. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Which is p minus 16, sorry, p minus 4 into p plus 4 is less than 0. है ना? Tell me. Right? 4 minus 4 plus minus plus. So it lies between which two number? Tell me. Okay, tell me. Minus 4 to plus 4, right? Which means p is less than 4 and greater than minus 4, right? So I can write down. Okay, am I audible? Am I audible? Vastav?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
है ना? Okay, chalo, awesome. So this is basically what? Mod of p less than 4, yes or no? So the answer is what? Tell me. The answer is what? The answer is what? Tell me. What is the answer? I hope all of you understood this. है ना? So this was like a warm up. Like this was a warm up. Clear हो गया? Okay. So tell me. Now these are the concepts that we have to cover. Right? Now think about it. How many concepts we have covered till now? Have we covered the definition of complex number? Raise your hand. All of you, raise your hand. Definition of complex number. Right. Yes. Very good. Then representation of complex number. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Representation of complex number. Yes. Equality of two complex number. Do we know when two complex number are equal? Yes or no? Like,
Yes, sir.
do you know or not? Okay, do you know that when two vectors are equal? Do you know when two vectors are equal? Tell me, everyone. Do you know when two vectors are equal?
Sir, when they have same magnitude and same direction?
Or when their components are equal? Yes or no? Right? That's correct. Right? They're same magnitude, same angle. Or when their components are equal? Yes or no? The components should be equal. Makes sense? Yes or no? Right? X component is equal to X component, right? And Y component is equal to Y component, right? So when you talk about complex number, now think about it, everyone, think about it, use your common sense. Now Z1 is equal to A plus IB. So A1 plus IB1 and Z2 is equal to A2 plus IB2. And if I'm saying that Z1 is equal to Z2, what do you think? What do you think? What is the
Sir,
relationship?
A1 will be equal to A2 and B1 will be equal to B2.
Correct. Awesome. So this, I guess all of you can relate now. So if Z1 is equal to Z2, then A1 should be equal to A2 and B1 should be equal to B2. Yes or no? Raise your hand. Krishna, you're getting this, Krishna? Sahana, Harshita, Nitin? Tell me yes or no? All of you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right? Now, algebra of complex numbers. So when we talk about algebra of complex number, we talk about addition, subtraction, multiplication. Yes or no? Right? Then we talked about integral component of iota, and we are left with the square root of complex number. Now, before talking about, right? Before talking about the square root, let us revise our concepts. Let us revise our concepts. Okay. So now tell me, this is the first. Okay, wait. This is the activity. So we are going to ditch the activity. Okay. So let us see this concept. This concept is right. So we have a problem here which says that the relationship A plus BI is greater than C plus ID. Right. Again, BI or DI. It's actually right representation, and you can write I before number or after number. It is fine. Now tell me, is this, what is the answer here? Tell me, what is the answer here? Think about it, right? You don't have to solve, you don't have to do anything. You just have to think, right? It is a logical problem. What do you think? Kya answer hoga? It is a logical problem. Okay, Jilan? Okay, everyone else? Only Jilan answered. Okay. Okay, Tanish. Only one student is correct, by the way. Only one student is correct till now. Okay, 2 students are correct now. Only two students are correct till now. 3 students. 3 students are correct till now. Okay. Now think about it. Think about it. Guys, whenever you see some problems, now use the basic concepts. Now, let me ask you this question. 3 plus root 5. 3 plus root 5, right? Or forget about 3 plus root 5. When you talk about this two complex number, think about it. Can you compare two complex numbers? Tell me, can you compare two complex numbers? Yes or no? That's the first question. Can you compare two complex numbers? Can you compare x with y? Can you compare real part with imaginary part? No, right? No, no. You can either compare their real parts or their imaginary part. For example, if it is 5 plus 3i, right? And it is 6 plus 2i. Now tell me, which is greater, which is smaller? I cannot say that, right? So it is, right? It doesn't make sense to compare imaginary part with real part. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Right? So when can we compare? When can we compare? Unless until either it is purely imaginary or purely real. Yes or no? Either it will be purely imaginary or purely real. Makes sense? Yes or no? Tell me. Right?
Yes, sir.
So if it is purely real, then what? B and D should be 0. If it is purely real, then B and D should be 0. Right? So see, D is the correct answer. Yes or no? Got it, everyone? Got it? Right? Yes or no? Tell me, everyone. Okay? See, A to hoga hi nahi, because then everything is 0, 0. And 0 is not greater than 0, right? Got it? Right? And here odd गलत हो गया, यहाँ पे भी गलत हो गया, ठीक है? Got it? Yes. Okay, very good, Melissa. Melissa, you watched your last class lecture, Melissa? Okay. Okay, then you will understand. Okay, very good. Now tell me, what is the value of this? The value of 1 by I will be, the value of 1 by I will be, one by I. Everyone, think about it. C तो होगा नहीं जिला, C तो कभी नहीं होगा, C तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. Okay, okay, B. Okay, very good, Anvit, right? Very good. See, ये सबसे सिंपल है. 1 is equal to what? 1 is equal to I power 4. Yes or no? Simple, बहुत simple, simple, right? 1 is equal to I power 4. Yes or no? Yes or no? By I power 1. So I power 4 by I power 1 is equal to what? I cube. And what is I cube, guys? What is I cube? Minus I. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Or you can just divide both sides by divide by I. So I into 1 is I, and I into I is minus 1, which is also minus I. Any method, it is fine. Any method you can do. Same thing, na, Vastav, right? I did the same thing, right, Vastav? Okay, right. So the answer is B. Clear? Clear enough? Okay, right. So I guess this is clear. This concept is clear. Till this concept is clear. Okay. Okay, Anvit. Both are correct, Anvit. Both are correct, right? Okay. Now I hope all of you know what is square root. Yes or no? We're left with the last concept, which is square root. I hope all of you know what is square root. Then we will solve problem today, na? Square roots. So can I say, sir, if root x is equal to y, if root x is equal to y, think about it. Root x is equal to y, then can I say, sir, x is equal to y square? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Can I do that? Yes, I can, right? Okay. Now, if x is a real number, if x is a real number, then y should be real number, yes or no? Yes or no? Right? If x is a real number, y should be a real number. Okay, now think about it. Think about this. Suppose I want you to find the complex, the square root of complex number a plus ib. My first question would be, okay, I understood that you want me to find the complex root of, right, sorry, square root of complex number. But my question would be, okay, the square root of complex number should be complex number, yes or no? That should be the first question, yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Tell me, Janvi, Kritagya, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if it is a complex number, can I say, okay, so let this complex number be c plus id? Can I do that? Raise your hand. Can I do that? This is just the definition. This is just the definition, right? Okay. Now, why the operation would be any different from what we do in real number? So can I just write it like this? So a plus ib, it can be equal to c plus id whole square. Yes or no? Raise your hand. Yes or no? Raise your hand. Srushti, Tanish, Vaishnavi,
Yes, sir.
Sahana, Navya. Okay. Right. Right. Now, you know what is the formula of a square plus b, a plus b whole square? Do you know the formula of a plus b whole square? Guys, I'm turning off my camera because of some eye issues, right? So what is a plus b whole square? Tell me. I guess all of you can tell me, right? A plus b whole square is a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Right? Which is basically what? This. Yes or no? Now tell me. Okay, how many of you have common sense? How many of you have common sense? Everyone have common sense? Yes. Right, you guys are smart students, right? You have common sense. Yes or no? Okay, are these two complex number are equal? Tell me. Are they equal?
Yes, sir.
So if complex number equal, what can I say? Can I say, sir, real part should be equal and imaginary part should be equal? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the real part of this? A. And what is the real part over here?
D square minus D square.
T square minus D square. Very good. And what is the imaginary part here?
Sir, IB.
B. Imaginary part is B, right? I is a notation, huh? I is a notation, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And here it is equal to
2CD.
2CD.
2CD. Now, don't you think that, sir, it is linear equation in two variables? Not linear, by the way. Sorry, my mistake. It is not linear equation. It is an equation of linear this. It is the equation in two variable. Ayana. We can solve by using hit and trial, right? Or quadratic. Yes or no? Tell me. Ayana.
Yes, sir.
All of you understood this? Do you want to note it down? If you want to note it down, then you can write it down. I will start with one problem. Okay? Right? Till then, I'll just give you one problem. Those who want to note it down, you can note it down. Okay? Okay. Tell me. So this is your problem, right? Root of 7 plus 24i. You know, step by step. You can directly use this. You can directly use this, by the way, directly. Okay, I got one answer. Very good, Yashash. Correct, Yashash. That's correct, Yashash. See, you have brains, right? You just don't use it. You're a lazy fellow. As simple as that. Everyone else? I only got one answer from Yashash. Baki log? Krishna, Shrishti, Vaishnavi, Sahana, Avni. Think about it, right? I told you this is what? A plus IB. So 7 plus 24I should be equal to what? C square minus D square plus 2CDI. Yes or no? So C square minus D square should be equal to 7. Yes or no? And 2CD should be equal to what? 24. Which means CD should be equal to what? 12. Now tell me, can you do that? Yes, Vaishnavi, correct, Vaishnavi. Can you do that now? Yes, sir. I can, sir. Very good, sir. C can be equal to C is equal to 4, right? Or C is equal to minus 4. D is equal to 3 or minus 3, right? So it is plus minus bracket 4 plus 3I. Yes or no? This is the answer. Clear? Tell me. Yes or no? Very good, Vaishnavi. Correct, Vaishnavi. You got the correct answer. So all of you understood this? Okay. Okay. Very good. So I guess we are done with operations. We are done with all the operations. Hi, Anna. Tell me, we are done with all the operations? Okay. And I gave one small homework last week, right? How many of you have at least tried to solve that? Anyone? Did you try to solve those? If not, it's fine. We will try to solve this today. But have you tried to solve those problems? Be very honest. How many of you tried to solve those problems? Or you forgot? Okay, don't worry. If you forgot, it's fine, right? So we will try to solve similar problems, lots of problems today, but by playing Kahoot. Okay, right? So everyone be ready with your textbook, sorry, with your notebook. Okay, because you have to write down the problems and you have to solve. Okay, and join Kahoot as soon as possible. So it is a problem solving session. It is fine if you don't like know the answers, it's completely fine, but at least you should write down in your notebook. Okay, and try joining Kahoot as soon as possible. Quickly, guys. No one has joined yet. Okay, Vastav. Okay, Puneet. Okay, Navya. Okay, Anvit. Check once again, everyone. Check once again. The answer is minus I, right? So what we need to do? Tell me. Divide this by 4. 243 by 4. 6 times 24. Cut gaya, right? 60 times. Bacha kya? 3. So it is what? Tell me. I to the power, remainder is 3. So this can hold between us 240 into I to the power 3. Yes or no? Anna, raise your hand. Yes or no? Exactly, 4m plus 3. So this is equal to 1. This is 1 into I to the power 3. And I to the power 3 is equal to minus I. Yes or no? All of you got this? All of you got this? Darshan, Aditya,
Yes, sir.
Janvi, Okay, chalo, next. This one. Note it down, right? Note it down. Okay, I guess you have written the answer. Let us see. So this is just the addition, super easy. We have done these problems like this. Very good, Krishna, very good. We will see, Vastav, it is easy, na? Just have to add, right? It should not take this much time. Everyone, tell me, it should not take this much time. Correct. How come it is plus I? How come it is plus I? C option, right? है ना? 3 plus 2, 5. Correct. तो ये सब में है. Now plus 2 minus 3. क्या होता है? Plus 2 minus 3 is minus I, ना? Right? Minus I. So the answer is what? C. Okay, now this one. This is product, right? This is product. Multiply Z1 into Z2. Write it down, everyone. Write it down. Write down the problem. Write down the problem. Okay, I guess all of you can solve it now. Seconds, basic. Okay, most of you did mistake. Let us see. So 1 plus 2i, multiplied by what? Tell me, 1 plus 2i multiplied by 1 minus 2i. Now don't you think, sir, ये तो formula हो गया, sir? हाँ या ना? Yes or no? Raise your hand. Srishti, tell me, Srishti, is this a formula, Srishti? Is this a formula, Srishti? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes. Which formula? Which formula it is? बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं हम लोग. Very good. A square minus B square. So it is what? 1 square minus of y square. What is A square minus B square? So it is 1 square minus 4i square. And what is the value of I square? What is the value of I square? So I square is
Minus 1.
Very good. So it is plus 4. Now tell me, how come you made mistake? How come you made mistake? Got it, everyone? Tell me, everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo, very good. Next. Now this one, everyone. Write down this in your notebook. Write down this in your notebook. ठीक है, I guess लिख लिया नोटबुक में. चलो. Easy enough. I guess this is super easy. Okay, this is based on the power of I, है ना, right? Let us see. मुझे चैट बॉक्स में बहुत कम आंसर मिल रहे हैं, सिर्फ एक आंसर मिला अब तक वास्तव का, बाकी लोग ओके दर्शन 2 आंसर मिले, जल्दी रिस्पॉन्ड करो गाइस. ओके 3 chat box, then this. Now see how easy this one. Zilan, very good. The answer is correct. 2 minus I, very good. So it is 1. Now I square is -1. I cube is minus I. Now minus I to power 6 is nothing but I square. I square value क्या होता है? -1 ही होता है. And I to power 8 is +1. देखो क्या हो रहा है, ये कट गया, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गया, +1 क्या हो गया, 2 minus I, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? This is simple problems. Chalo, next. So this is based on equality of complex numbers, right? है ना? Note it down. Note this down in your notebook. नोट कर लिया ना? नोट कर लिया सबने? Okay, let us solve. One minute, guys. Solve everyone. Okay, so I guess only 4 students got correct answer. ऐसे कैसे? ऐसे कैसे? Tell me, how come? This is something which is not expected, guys. You just had to equate yes or no. Tell me. Tell me yes or no. You just have to equate now. बताओ yes or no. You just क्या करना था यहाँ पे? So this is real part. This is real part. So 2x is equal to 4. As simple as that. And this is imaginary part. And this is imaginary part. X plus 2y is also equal to 4. So if you equate these two, x will be equal to 2, right? And if you put the value of x as 2, it will be what? 2 plus 2y is equal to 4. Yes or no? Tell me. Hi, Anna, everyone. Right? So can you find the value of y? Yes. Y is equal to 1. Okay? Right, everyone? Got this? So जिनका गलत हुआ उनको मिस्टेक पता चला, जिनका गलत हुआ मिस्टेक. Okay, right? Ignore that बाकी. Right. Exactly. Now this one, square root of 9 plus 40i. Square root of 9 plus 40i. Jaldi. Square root for 9 plus 40i. इसको तुम लिख लो फिर आराम से सॉल्व करो, ठीक है? आई मीन नो हरी, आराम से लिख लो फिर सॉल्व करो. इजी इनफ, आराम से, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है. When you are done, let me know, right? Then I'll just start the problems, start the out. Okay. I did not record the last problem. Okay. My bad. This one. Tell me. This is super easy. This is super easy, I guess, right? This is super easy. Yes or no? Is this easy? Tell me. Yes. Okay. Chalo, very good. Let us see the answer. ये तो बहुत easy है, बहुत easy. 30 seconds should be more than enough. I don't know why 120 seconds is given. 30 seconds is more than enough. Yes or no? Okay, very good, Vikas. Very good. Very good, Yashash. See, I told you the hint already. Yes or no? Guys, 20 more seconds. Jaldi. This should not take more time. 10 more seconds. Okay, right. So 1 minus I. First thing is, है ना? Okay, ध्यान दो, सबका ध्यान दो. Now, पहली चीज बताओ यहाँ पे. What is C square minus D square? 0, sir. Yes or no? Raise your hand. Yes or no? And what is 2CD? 2CD is minus 2, sir. So CD is equal to minus 1, sir. So obviously both can never be positive. That's the first thing. So ये कट गया मेरा, ये कट गया और ये कट गया. And obviously if the product of two numbers is minus 1, right? So it is minus 1 into 1 now, because their difference of square is 0. So minus 1, 1. Yes or no? Right? So it is this. Clear? Everyone? Right? Everyone, this is clear? Darshan, yes, correct. Nitin, Melissa, Navya, Srushti, Puneet, Tanish, Janvi. Okay, very good. Very good. Next. Now, अब आ गया अच्छा सवाल. अब देखते कौन सवाल करता है ये. This is a good problem. You take your time. This is a good problem. ठीक है? Right? I'll किया है. सवाल हम लोगों ने लास्ट क्लास में किया है. Yes or no? Take your time. आराम से टाइम लो, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है. पूरा 2 मिनट लो तुम लोग. Remember this, guys. 1 plus I का whole square is equal to what? Tell me.
2i.
2i. Awesome. Correct. है ना? And 1 minus I का whole square?
Minus 2i.
Minus 2i. Very good. Very good. है ना? अब देखो. Now this is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Now tell me if it would be odd or it would be even. We know. Think about it, guys. Think about it. 2i to the power n. 2i to the power n plus minus 2i to the power n. If this is equal to 0, then n should be odd or even. You tell me. This is your basic concepts, now. Okay, easy enough. I hope all of you understood the concept of odd even wala, है ना? Yes or no, right? Because even हो जाता तो क्या होता? दोनों positive हो जाता. Yes or no? Smallest value, n का smallest value 1, obviously, है ना? Because if n is equal to 1, right? If n is equal to 1, it will be what? 2i minus 2i. is equal to 0. Yes or no? If it is 2, think about it. If it is 2, है ना, वो add up हो जाएगा. Yes or no? Okay. चलो, got this. Right. Last question. ये मैंने सॉल्व कर दिया क्या? हो गया ना? सही, इसमें उल्टा था. सॉल्व कर दिया. Very good, Pratagya. Very good, Yash. Very good, Nitin, Dilan, Vastav. Okay. So I guess सबको समझ में आ गया basic concepts. Raise your hand. Basic concepts सबको समझ में आ गया? Yes or no? Tell me. Right? Okay. Okay. Right? 1, 2, 3. It is easy. What is I to power minus 1? What is I to power minus 1? It is 1 by I ना. अभी हम लोगों ने देखा. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Very good. Awesome. Now, someone is speaking. I can't hear you. Okay. I think that there's a background noise. Okay. Fourth one. Now, fourth to 10th is multiplication. Fourth to 10th is multiplication. है ना? So tell me, which problem you want me to solve? बताओ, कौन सा problem मैं करूँ? Janvi, tell me, Janvi, which problem do you want me to solve? 4th to 10th. I will solve any two problem. Any two problem. Sixth, okay, sixth सब कोई बोल रहे हैं. Sixth सब कोई बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है. Sixth is just addition ना guys. Sixth और seventh बस addition है ना, है कि नहीं? मतलब 6th to 7th simple addition है. Think about it. Question बड़ा है, ये देख के बात करो ना. Question देखो पहले है क्या? 6th और 7th just addition, multiplication है ही नहीं. This plus this plus this, काम खत्म, right? है ना? Okay, 10th, ठीक है. 4th is also multiplication of 3 into 7, 21. 3 into 7, 21. So it is 21 plus 21i, right? Plus what? 7i. And here I squared plus 7i squared, which is minus 7. Right? हो गया, solve कर लो, है कि नहीं? 10th one. Okay, let us solve 10th one, है ना? 10th one देखो एक बार. So which formula is this? Everyone, tell me which formula is this? क्या लगता है?
A plus b whole cube और a minus b whole cube.
ठीक है, a plus b whole cube रखूंगा मैं, है ना? What is the formula of a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube
plus
3ab a square plus b square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
A plus b होता है, a square plus b square नहीं होता
so
है.
3ab a plus b sir.
है कि नहीं?
Yes.
A plus b होता है. Now, what is a? A is equal to minus 2. What is b? B is equal to minus I by 3. है ना? Step by step. So it is minus 2 का whole cube plus minus I by 3 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 into minus I by 3 by multiply by minus 2 minus I by 3. I guess this step is clear. बस प्यार से धीरे धीरे करते रहना है. What is minus 2 whole cube? So it is minus 8. Minus I cube. So minus 2 छोड़ दो, बाहर छोड़ दो. Right? I cube कितना होता है guys? What is the value of I cube? I cube is what? Minus I by 9. Yes or no? Right? Plus minus into minus plus 3 into 3 कट गया. So it is what? 2I bracket minus 2 minus I by 3. Yes or no? So it is what? Minus 8 minus minus plus I by 9 plus 2 into 2 into 2 4. It is minus 4I. 2 into I by 3. So it is what? I into I squared, which is minus 1 minus minus plus 2 by 3. Yes or no? Raise your hand. बताओ 2I square minus 2I square by 3 minus 2I square by 3 is basically what? 2 by 3 ना? because I square is -1. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Yes or no? Any issue in this? So I guess all of you can solve it now. -8 plus 2/3 plus I/9 minus 4i. LCM HCF तो आता है तुम लोगों को, हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा. So this is done, right? Question 14 will also be done. Yes or no? Question 14 will also be done.
Yes, sir.
Rationalize करना है, ये लेंदी है, but you have to rationalize. Just rationalize. Okay. बाकी multiplicative inverse निकालना है. Okay. Now one last topic, जो लोग छोड़ दिए हैं, जो लोग क्लास छोड़ दिए हैं, उनका लास्ट टॉपिक छूट जाएगा. Okay. So we will discuss one last topic. Something happened to scroll. I have to change it, I guess. Okay, right now it's working. So last topic is called as polar representation of complex number. Polar representation of complex number. Okay, now what's the meaning of polar representation of complex number? So whenever we talk about complex number, right, or vector, I guess all of you remember vectors. So I'll just take the example of vectors. Suppose this is your vector, this is your xy plane, and I want to represent a vector. Think about it. I want to represent a vector. Okay. Now suppose I know that this length is 10 unit, which is suppose r, and this angle is 30 degree, which is suppose theta. So what is the x component, guys? What is x component? Tell me. I hope all of you can tell me. X component is r cos theta. Yes or no? Hi Anna. Base is your x component. Perpendicular is your y component. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? And what about y component?
R sin theta.
So tell me, if instead of components, if magnitude and angle is given, can you say that a vector can be written as r cos theta I cap plus r sin theta j cap? Yes or no? Hi Anna.
Yes.
In the same way, suppose if magnitude of complex number is given and angle is given, can you write a complex number z as, tell me, r cos theta plus I sin theta, I r sin theta? Yes or no? Tell me. Hi Anna. Same cheez hai na?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Raise your hand. Yes or no? Can I do that?
Yes, sir.
So this is called your polar representation. This is called your polar representation. Okay, polar representation. Now here,
But here y component imaginary line depict कर रहा है क्या?
y is imaginary, na? We know, right? This is real. This is imaginary.
Okay, sir.
Now, अब एक चीज बताओ, यहाँ पे जो एंगल लेते हैं हम हमेशा एंगल कौन सा लेते हैं? एंटी क्लॉकवाइज और x? Yes or no? Right? Yes or no? So suppose if my complex number is this, suppose my complex number is this, just give me a minute. Just 5 minutes topic, 5 minutes topic. My complex number is this, okay, and I know this angle, and I know this angle. This is the angle that I know. This is like θ2. This is r2. So what is z? Z का value क्या होगा? Everyone, tell me. What is the value of z? बताओ क्या होगा z का value? Tell me, guys.
R2 cos theta 2 plus I R2 cos sin theta 2.
First quadrant or second quadrant?
The second quadrant.
Second quadrant. Second quadrant में real part imagine.
The cos theta negative आएगा.
Negative है ना? It is what? Minus r cos theta plus I r sin theta. अब समझ में आया? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me.
सर हम अभी इसको प्लस पॉजिटिव आर cos थीटा लिखेंगे, लेकिन जब सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तब हम बेस नेगेटिव ले सकते हैं,
देखो थीटा मैंने कौन सा लिया, ये थीटा 2 लिया ना, है कि नहीं? समझ में आ रहा है? राइट, दिस इज थीटा 2, यस और नो? बट एक्चुअली एंगल कौन सा होता है? जब तुम ये फॉर्म लिख रहे हो तो एंगल शुड बी दिस शुड बी थीटा। अब समझ में आया तुमको मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? तो either you
Yes,
write
sir.
this, either you write this directly, or if you want to write this theta, so this theta is what, 180 minus theta 2, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So either you write this or you write this, cos 180 degree minus theta 2 plus I r2 sin 180 degree minus theta 2, right? So cos second quadrant क्या होता है? नेगेटिव हो गया। sin second quadrant क्या होता है? पॉजिटिव आ गया। yes or no? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
But best way is this, you don't have to worry about this। देखो मिनिमम एंगल क्या है, कौन सा क्वाड्रेंट है, डायरेक्टली लिख दो। ओके
Okay, sir.
ओके, राइट। सो दिस इज आल्सो डन। ये भी हमारा पहले ही हो चुका था, बट ये हमारा खत्म हो गया है ना, राइट। सो देयर आर फ्यू प्रॉब्लम्स और ओनली 6 क्वेश्चंस, उसके बाद चैप्टर खत्म हो गया है। फिर क्वाड्रेटिक में जो तुम लोग 10th में पढ़े एग्जैक्टली वही चीज, और कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा नहीं है, राइट। सो वी आर डन विद दिस चैप्टर, खत्म हो गया हमारा चैप्टर। देखो क्वाड्रेटिक में और कुछ है क्या? जितना तुम लोग को उससे कम है क्वाड्रेटिक एनसीईआरटी हिसाब से, obviously I'm not talking about JEE or NEET level, this is just for NCERT, right? Okay, so we are done with this chapter, yes or no? You understood this chapter? Raise your hand. Did you get this? Right? हाँ या ना? हाथ डालो।